Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a 2D waterfall effect in Godot using a static background plus animated water layered on top. We'll use particles, a scrolling shader, and a mask texture, so the waterfall has a dynamic custom shape instead of a boring rectangle. This works in Godot 4 and is perfect for platformers, RPGs, and atmospheric scenes. Start with your game scene that already has a background image containing a static waterfall. We're going to add animated water on top of that. Create a new node 2D called Waterfall FX above your background. Inside it, we'll add Overlay Water Shader, Falling Particles, Splash Particles. First, we will add Main Water Particle. Add a GPU Particles 2D node, rename to Main Water. Turn emitting on. Set amount 300, lifetime 2. Scroll down and find Process Material section. Choose Particle Process Material and select it to show properties. Then set direction down. Gravity, increase Y. Set velocity to 0, 1, and set spread value to 10. Initial velocity to 200. This gives us falling water motion. For the texture, use a small white streak or droplet sprite. You can use a simple vertical line PNG with transparency. Assign it to the particle texture slot. Adjust scale settings to make it smaller. Set emission shape to box and adjust box size to make it wider. Scale the particles node so it matches the width of your waterfall in the background. Now your particles look like water streams. To make it realistic, add a splash. Add another GPU Particles 2D node as a child and name it Splash. Place it at the bottom of the waterfall. Then set Particle Process Material with following keys: direction, upward, spread, wide, around 60 to 90. Velocity, lower. Lifetime, 0.5 to 1. Gravity positive, so droplets fall back down. Use small circular droplet textures. Adjust scales to make it smaller. In Material section, add Canvas Item Material and set Blend Mode to add. Now it looks like water hitting the ground. Feel free to duplicate Slash Effect to make another layer. Next, we add a flowing overlay for extra realism. Create a Sprite 2D node above the background but behind particles. Assign a semi-transparent waterfall texture. Remember to set texture property to repeat so our shader will repeat texture animation. Create a shader material. And use this simple shader. You can get this shader code from the link in description. This scrolls the texture downward continuously. Adjust opacity so it blends with the background waterfall. You can cut off sprite texture using mask texture property and set falling speed as well as opacity value. Assign your mask texture in the shader params. White equals waterfall, black is invisible. Now your waterfall has a custom shape. Adjust position and scale to fit with your background. The main water particle is so small, let increase its scale and set light blue color for it. Make sure your node order is background waterfall image, shader overlay, main water particles, splash particles. You can also set particle material blend mode to add for glowing water. Tweak values until it matches your art style. If performance drops, reduce particle amount, use smaller textures, enable visibility when on screen only. Particles are powerful but should be optimized for mobile. And that's it. Now your static waterfall background has a realistic animated water effect layered on top. You can reuse this system for rivers, rain, or lava too. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more Godot tutorials. See you in the next video.